Yeah, welcome back to the channel. And I've been away picking up new calipers for the Toyota Camry 2003 model. As in the other video, I was rebuilding the caliper, and then the bleeding nipple was breaking up on things. And after that I just get problem, get tired of fighting with that, because I've been like this for a long time. Then it's on this side, just lock off the brake fluid. This side I have rebuilt the caliper, but the bleeding nipple was torn off. I don't remember. Yeah, 14 millimeter. It's not so long time since I have done it, so I should have been able to remember. Trying to collect brake fluid. Because it's going to leak out some. Then take off the down here, I think it was 17. There. It's too bad. This is the rebuilt caliper. The rubber parts in here is new. See here? I bought completely new caliper and a holder and everything. So everything should be as easy as possible. Because then I get new rubber sealing here, sliders, everything should be working perfectly. The old one could be fixed up. Yeah. I don't remember, it was 14 or 17 back here. 14. No, I'm only losing off this one, and we can look when I put on the new one. See here, I'm going to move over the mounting system on the brake pads. See, I can get some tool and clean them up. Yeah. Then I cleaned up those. I can just, instead of taking everything apart here, we can just hang it on. says 17, 14 on the back, 2 on the back, and then we have to put on the brake pipe again. This one is going in here. Brake fluid. Then this side is finished. I just have to go and finish the other side, and then I have to get my youngest boy to help me. He's the only one back home to help me bleed the brake. Also here, of course, with the locking of this one. And we have a 17-inch here. I cleaned up mounting parts here. I also checked the screws because on the other side I had problem with getting the mounting screw in. So now open the brake fluid to go through. Yep, now we have to clean up a little here and then start bleeding the brakes. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was hoping to get the video when we was bleeding the brake, but the weather is changing. It was supposed to be both lightning and thunder and lightning and a lot of rain, and I was trying to work fast on it start raining. So I ended up not getting this. We had a little leak around one of the screws, so I had to tighten that. Now I'm going to change and out driving a little to feel how it's working. My youngest boy was sitting inside and pressure in the brake pedal. I was opening the bleeding nipple on the brake, and it come out in air, and then it come up brake fluid, screwed back in. It was pumping a couple of times, and then hold it in bottom, and I was screwing in again, and we bleed out more, and then we're doing that 3 times on every side, and then we come out just brake fluid. I think I have to make one separate video later about how to break, how to get out the air from the bleeding nipple. Maybe someone would like to have a video just about that. It's a little in a lot of the videos here, but yeah, always when I do this, it's ending up being a little stress in the end, and yeah, maybe I have to do that. But at least now the new brake calipers. That's on the right hand side here. I had problems many years ago the first time, so it's yeah, it's okay. I got the new complete system back there for around 1,000 Norwegian each side, so around, yeah, that should be less than $100, less than 100 euros with all the mounting things. That should be okay to make this car work more properly again. Yeah, I have to go and check it, test drive it. So I hope it could help someone just to see it. The amount of money for rebuilding the other caliper, getting rubber, if I was supposed to get everything and clean up on things, it wouldn't be much cheaper. So that was the reason I just, when the breaking or the bleeding nipple broke off, I just cancelled that idea and just bought newer parts. The old parts could be sandblasted and cleaned up and check the rubber and everything if I find out how to get out the bleeding nipple. So that could be maybe some video later. I'm not throwing them, but I'm not sure. Please come back, please put a like on the video, please start subscribing, and please put comments. That would be nice. Thank you.